Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when Starlink shows restricted and how to fix it. When Starlink says restricted, it usually means the internet is limited or blocked. This can happen because of account issue, billing problem, or network setup error. First, open the Starlink app on your phone. Look at the message on the screen. If it says restricted, tap it to see more details. The most common reason is payment problem. In the Starlink app, go to account and check your billing status. If a payment failed or the service expired, update your payment method. Once payment is confirmed, service usually returns within a few minutes. Next, restart your router. Unplug the router from power, wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in. Give it 5 minutes to reconnect. Now check the Starlink test. Make sure it has a clear view of the sky, no trees, buildings or objects blocking it. Obstruction can sometimes cause connection limit. After that, check the cables. Make sure the cable from the test to the router is pushed in tightly. Loose cable can cause restricted or disable service. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.